Hey, what's going on, everybody? Happy Tuesday. Hopefully you're having a great day. Here's kind of a neat little tip. This is something that you should pack, and I take it on every trip. It always comes in handy. It wasn't even my idea. It was a guy that I travel with. He brings it all the time, and I started bringing it many years ago after watching him because of how useful it was. One thing that I always pack in my gear, I kind of have a Ziploc baggie. It's full of all sorts of little goodies, but this this is one little goodie that works perfect. It's super cheap, ultralight, and you can pack it in your gear. It doesn't take up any space. It weighs nothing, and it has many uses. What am I talking about? Yeah. Aluminum foil. Aluminum foil. This stuff right here is fantastic. You can use it for cooking. You can use it for all sorts of stuff. And in a pinch, if you're having problems with your soft luggage, you can even attach it to here if you have to, and use it as a heat shield so that it doesn't burn your soft luggage on the backside. Because usually on this backside of your soft luggage, you could attach it with either some glue or something in a pinch if you got to keep it from burning that stuff up. But you can use it for laying it on your bed of coals to cook food on and all sorts of stuff. And it's super cheap and it works fantastic. So think about maybe packing some aluminum foil for your next adventure trip, because I think it comes in handy and it works so well, and it doesn't weigh anything. That's your tip in 2 minutes or less. You have a fantastic day.